bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see from up
Hi
here.
guys, Merry Christmas 2020. I hope that everyone is doing well. I have been so busy running errands, renovations, shifts and hospitals, and I've got 3 family members in the hospitals right now, so it's just going to be so tedious, doing all the errands and visitations and all sorts and coordinations. I've not done too much of a shopping lately, obviously, but a little bit here and there. I've got no time to do much of an unboxing, and I'm doing mainly decluttering because there are just so many boxes and so many this and that around. So I've been letting go. In my previous vlog sale, I've been actually letting go a lot of my bags and SLGs. Maybe a little bit more coming up, but anyway, do go to the description box below. There is a link that will link you to the site where I'm doing my little closet decluttering. So if anything that picks, that catches your eye, some of the pieces I've actually bought with a premium price, but I try to keep them within the retails. And prices are also inclusive of registered priority shipping. So that goes with my decluttering. And let's just get into the unboxing. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holiday Season. It's a very trying season for everybody in every different aspect, I believe so. But let's just stay positive and do our best in whatever hurdles is right ahead of us. And let's just deal with it. So thank you guys, be blessed, stay safe. Upcoming, I'll be doing a little chit chat of the items that I've sold. Stay tuned and I'll